What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at a boombox. It comes in like 3 different designs that look pretty awesome. I'm not sure which one this is. Anyway, this is called the SLANG M8. It's a Bluetooth speaker, but it's obviously, you can see it's shaped like a boombox. Now, it's running off of Bluetooth 4.0. It does have a 5200 milliamp hour battery in it. It takes about 4 hours to charge, and it gives you about 5 hours of continuous playback. Now, of course, that's gonna vary depending on volume, but yeah, you know what? Let's just open it. Everything is in Chinese, so I'm not gonna bother. Oh, that's cool looking already. Oh, it's the black and gold one. All right. Goodbye. Adios. Okay, so first off, you've got your basic power adapter. It's got about a 4-foot long cable on it. Pretty basic AC power adapter. And about 5-foot long, 3.5 millimeter cable. Very standard though, nothing too special. Oh, dude, that looks awesome. The SLANG. That looks sick. That's, what's with this bubble? It's got a little bubble on it. Oh well, that looks crazy. Look at these big knobs on there. You can push it down and it's for power, and it looks like, I'm guessing mute. You can turn it left and right for the next and previous track. Then right here you've got your microphone, and I'm guessing that is for Wi-Fi, play, pause, and then, oh yeah. So left and right for volume, very cool. On the side it looks like, yeah, that's a speaker. So I'm guessing subs. And then of course on the other side, you've got the same thing. And look at these big speakers. These are two 10-watt speakers, and they're saying that it's super bass. And then on the back, you've got SD card reader, your micro SD card or TF card, USB, so you can connect it to your computer. And then you got your power port. On the bottom, you got these nice rugged little feet. It's got a real thick handle to carry it around. Look at that. Let's turn it on, see what happens. That was cool. Okay, so you get the Bluetooth. What? Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Fantastic. Okay, well, let's connect it. There it is. SLANG M8 Armored Cavalry. I guess that's the name for it. It's got some.
Bluetooth has been connected.
It's got some very interesting sound effects. Okay, cool. All right, well, let's hear it. So that's max volume, but you can keep going. Let's test out the bass. Now I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Whoa. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Can you hear that knock? It's got a good range of volume though, man. These speakers sound pretty good. Okay, let's test quality real quick. Let's hear it.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, j'adore ça. Let's talk about that.
Wow!
Good mythical morning. Today you get to watch me turn into a human teabag. Literally.
Wow. Thanks, Link. That's got a really good range of sound. I'm pretty impressed with this little box. Oh, you know what? I think. Oh yeah, you know what? I totally forgot about something. And this is like probably the most important part. Can these come off? Yes. These come off. There we go. Bam. Now it looks pretty. See how good the microphone works. Oh yeah, you can crank this up. Oh, look at that. It's actually, oh, it's separate.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
What's up, girl?
Sat.
Sat. Hey, I'm testing out a boombox.
What?
Yeah, it's crazy. I have to show it to you, but as for now, you know the routine. How do I sound?
You sound good. It doesn't even sound like on a boombox.
Really?
You sound like you're on the phone.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, here, I'm gonna move it away from me. Tell me if I still sound the same. Okay, I got it about 1.5 feet away from me. How do I sound now?
Now I can tell a difference. You sound like you're on speaker.
Now it sounds like I'm on speaker. Okay, so that makes sense because the microphone is like right on the top. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Anytime.
Bye, cutie pie. And the hang up button really works. Wow, this is actually not bad. And it's like 60 bucks. Now, I will say it does have $60 sound quality to it. The build quality actually feels pretty rugged. Oh, look at that. It actually says boombox on the back. I didn't even notice that. I gotta say, it sounds really good. The highs and the mids are spot on. Very, very good highs and mids. When I played Rhett and Link, it was a very realistic sounding effect, almost as if they were talking into my ear. Very cool. I'm really digging this. Bass. The bass is great. I don't know if I'd say super bass. You know, they're not like super huge, you know, like 15-inch subwoofers or anything like that. You know, I'm not gonna go sticking this into my trunk thinking I'm bumping down the street or nothing, but overall, it's pretty good. So I think the bass, I'm gonna give it like a 7. I love the build quality of these. I mean, I think these are like, what is that? I think it's just plastic. It's really lightweight. I was gonna say I think it's like nickel, but it's not. I think it's just plastic. What did I just do?
Play by TF card.
Oh, is that how that works? Well, I don't have one on me, but I trust you. Oh, what is that?
FM mode.
What? There's an FM mode? I didn't know that. It's probably gonna be terrible. There's no antenna.
The heart of an evangelist. I can't say that the Lord had called me to be an evangelist.
You find them. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire.
Well, I didn't know it had FM radio, though. That's what you get when it's all in Chinese.
We're so confident ZipRecruiter will get...
That works. What is that?
AUX mode.
What? What did it say? What did you just say? Hold on. What was that?
AUX mode.
AUX mode. Oh, okay. So that means you can just plug it directly in. Okay, I pushed it too many times.
Bluetooth mode.
Is it going to keep changing? It is.
Play by TF card.
Are you going to keep going? No? Okay. Let's go ahead and try the AUX mode. Let's see how...
We got up there, his room was filled with smoke.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and try that. Sounds the same. $60, I think is pretty worth it. It's got a $60 sound for sure. I don't think you'd be disappointed with it. It's got a great sound quality to it. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.